Sand it, buff it, and get the job done with one tool. Whether you're woodworking or polishing, this Renegade Industrial sander polisher has you covered. Powered by a strong 1050 watt motor with an electric controller for full variable speed control. This machine gives you the exact RPM you need for delicate polishing and aggressive sanding. Why buy two machines for one job? The 180mm hook and loop disc is compatible with both sanding discs and polishing pads. Save yourself money and room in the shed. You'll love the sleek, time-proven design and the comfortable D-style grip that works perfectly in any orientation. Plus, the integrated safety paddle trigger ensures you're always in total control for the long haul. This kit includes one hook and loop backing pad, one wall bonnet, and the handy pad alignment centering sleeve. But did you also know that TradeTools offers a range of suitable accessories, such as polishing foam pads and an assortment of sanding discs? So whatever the job, we have you sorted. Don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. So what's your experience with the sander polisher? Let us know in the comments.